Thank you very much again for the invitation, for being here. All of you shows your interest on the kind of topic that I'm going to be presenting today. All right, yes. Admittedly, this is a fancy title, but that's the idea, right? So you just sell something. This is going to be a really good talk, and then I hope that I deliver. Okay, so let me give you a brief outline of what this talk is going to be. So the point A, what I will be trying to answer is the question if there is a problem of an ethics of computer simulation. So do we have anything interesting to say on the context, in the context of ethics for computer simulations? You will see that this is not a trivial question, as some people think, well, we really don't have anything to say there. Obviously, I do think that we have something to say, and that's my point B, which I'm going to be talking about 4 sources or approaches to identify ethical problems in computer simulations. And finally, I'm going to just wrap up and just add yet another problem, because if at anything we philosophers are good, it's at creating problems and questions. We don't really deliver that many solutions. Okay. So, let me start by giving you a little bit of a story. So, about 1985, there was this philosopher, James Moore, who posed the following issue. We have new technologies, specifically computers, and we do not have an ethics for computers, now known as computer ethics. And many people thought, well, we don't really need that. There is no need for an ethics of computers because, computers are basically the same thing as, an ethics of laundry machines, or we just need an ethics. And then you use that ethics for computers. And he was like, well, no, actually, we do need an ethics of computers. So he wrote this paper, and one of the things that I think that it was most interesting is he said that there's a social impact in technology, but there was a policy vacuum that he was pointed out. There is a policy vacuum in issues that emerge in the context of computers and technology in general, and that we need to address. Then, by the same time, this book came out. It's a very famous book. And then you're starting to identify which were those issues that require our attention on ethical grounds, and that we could not address, from a more familiar philosophy.